Good morning, everybody. This is Jacob Rakowski. It's 5:08 a.m. I am at the Minneapolis-St. Paul Airport, flying to Sacramento for an amazing mixer and training. Then we're going to San Francisco for another meeting. But I want to share with you guys really quickly something that's critical. And if you neglect it, you will be wasting a lot of time in the business and really spinning your wheels and getting nowhere fast. But if you are able to do this, then you will multiply your time, multiply your efforts, and multiply your growth in this business. So I'm going to go ahead and in the comments post these pictures that we've been using to help people get started. But Eric and Isa in Ireland, who just went Sapphire, by the way, did an amazing thing by creating these getting started documents and making them simple to read to people and give to people and go through with people to set their goals, to get their first mixer set, to get their list built, to get their customers, to get their 10 business partners, their 2 business partners right away, and to get them going towards their goals right away. And if you don't know about them, that's okay. But now that you do know about them, you have to use them. Because if you don't, you're doing a huge disservice to all the people that you're enrolling, and you're really wasting your time, because if you don't help a person get started right, they don't know what to do. They don't know how to grow their business. And chances are they probably won't stick around long enough to figure it out. Now, a lot of people have sponsored new people in the business. Hey Dan, how's it going? A lot of people have sponsored new people in the business, and they haven't done these game plan interviews. Here's the thing. It must be done within 24 to 48 hours. Why? Because that's the height of excitement in this business. I've been in the business for 5.5 years now, sponsored 138 people, and I can tell you, if I had and used this information before, I would be much further along in the business than I currently am, because it requires organization to get a person started right. And if you don't do that, then a person's not going to know what to do, and chances are they're not going to get the results that you're looking for. And by the time they do take the action, they're not going to have the motivation to sustain it. So I'll post those little pictures in the comments below. But big thanks to Eric and Isa for putting that together. That's one main reason why they broke 2 sapphires and a lot of platinums and VIPs last month. And that's a big reason why a lot of people are growing. But if you don't train the new people you're bringing on, there will be no sustained growth. There will be just a little bit of growth. So that's my words for you guys. I'm flying to San Francisco now. On the plane, gonna get some sleep. That's what I'm doing. Keep it OG. God bless.